Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another CSS Battle challenge. So what we have right here is like a pie chart logo, and this one seems like the pretty easy one on this whole challenge. So let's get right into it. Body of background of this pinkish color, and the div. So we only have one div element here, and that's what we'll be using to be able to open. So the same tweak as my previous video, we're gonna be using the border tweak to make this one work. So height of 0 and border 100 pixel solid. Yeah, let's make it black. That makes sense. And border radius 50%. And let's move it to the center using margin 50 pixel auto. Okay, so they are the same shape and we're looking good. So now let us color each corners. So border left color of green. I don't know what color is this. Border bottom color of these colors are weird. Border top color of, alright, I guess this is yellow. So transform, rotate 45 degree, and that looks really good. So let's just make this one transparent. Okay. Cool. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching.